Guys, before we get into this video, I just want to be fully transparent. You are going to see 3 rooms. We had the room in the beginning, then we had the penthouse suite, then they moved us to another tower and we went to another suite. You're going to see a lot of you, like the trip was bittersweet kind of. It was good at first, then it got real bad because of the situation that happened in the first room. But you know, they fixed it after I got into it with the maintenance guy. I didn't get that on camera. You know, I talk about that though, but like I said, I didn't get that on camera because I wasn't even thinking. I was just so mad. It was like 1 in the morning, and you know, my birthday weekend, the trip is kind of ruined. That's what I'm thinking at that point. But you know, I requested the manager, and the manager came, so he made that right. You guys are gonna see the second room, but the same thing that was wrong in the first room was wrong in the second room eventually. So we had to change that room again. Like, guys, it was crazy. But like I said, I just want to be fully transparent. This footage was from February when we went for my birthday, but I just wanted to, you know, condense it and bring it to you guys because I know a lot of people haven't seen this footage. You know, me staying in 2 different suites in one trip. You know what I mean? 2 different suites on one trip. Crazy. Like, literally in 48 hours, we stayed in 2 different suites, and the last suite was the best. Like, man, way bigger. I never stayed in nothing like that before, guys. If you guys are thinking about going to Atlantic City this summer, or if you're ever thinking about coming to Atlantic City, or you want to just go anywhere and get inspired to go get a suite, smell good, put your favorite fragrance on, go to the suite for the weekend, man, look at this video right here, guys. But like I said, I just want to be fully transparent. This footage is, you might see people wearing coats or whatever. This footage is not from now, it's from February. So it's from this year, but it's from February, guys. But it's still very valid and relevant to the title of the video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it, let's go. So we made it up in this joint. 2-hour ride, wasn't too bad. Find somewhere to park. That's good. So we've arrived at Tropicana. We're almost to the casino floor. Oh, it's jumping ahead. Of course, the pool is closed. Standard room. King bed. Little chair here. Nightstand with a lamp.
No view this time?
Got no view. TV.
Oh, well, there's the ocean right there.
Mirror. Wet bar area. Nice bucket bragging over there. Nice. Regular bathroom. Stand up, show. They having a damn chair competition. Gotta change rooms because stupid heat work don't work properly. Got a dickhead for maintenance, man. Think he know what he talking about, but he don't. Stupid. You gonna try to tell me fucking heat? It ain't working. I gotta change rooms. Down at 1 in the morning. Tropicana, Atlantic City, man.
"30 minutes later."
I know y'all seen the last clip when yeah, I was complaining. But y'all, they gave us the penthouse. They said we got the penthouse. They said we gonna upgrade you. This should be, hey, hold up. This video it's about to be taking a turn, gang. Hold up now. Let me pack all my stuff, get up out of here. I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Alright, y'all, we about to see what this pen, man. See what this joint looking like real quick. Sheesh. Yes, sir. All right, it's the bathroom in a penthouse joint.
Hey, please, now.
Yes, sir. All right, got the little penthouse at Tropicana. You know what I mean? That's what the joint look like. You know what I mean? TV over here. Fireplace. Got a little desk area. Definitely more space in here. Still no view. We on the 20th floor though, baby. It's got a like nice little walkway out here. Got a full living room. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Oh, they tweaking, folk. Oh, we got a suite for real. All right. Feel bad for whoever ain't come. Dang. All right, shorty. Sheesh.
We cool in this room.
Oh yeah. Super Bowl? What I'm going downstairs for?
Right.
No, I do want to be down there to see that halftime show.
Right.
Shoot, we gonna watch the first half up here, then go downstairs. Yeah, Super Bowl right ahead tomorrow. Oh yeah, it's lit.
That's so lit, babe.
She got a little separate room in there. How you turn the heat on in that thing?
I don't know. I'm looking. I don't see nothing on the walls yet.
Damn.
I ain't gonna put it in there tonight.
Nah. Damn. All right, they did their big one. Man, so this trip just got a whole lot better. So the issue was in our room, the damn heat wasn't working. So you had the maintenance guy that came that ain't really want to do no work at 1 in the morning. It's working, man. He was just going back and forth. I should have been recording that shit, but I wasn't even thinking. But yeah, I told him when I put the heat on a certain thing, like it kept tripping. So like, for instance, I left the room for an hour. I had the heat on 76 or 77, something like that. When I came back, it said it was like 69 in the room, which means that shit ain't working properly. But he tried to talk to me like I ain't know what I was talking about. Man, stop playing me, man. That shit irritating. But I asked for the manager. The manager came. He was more nice. He understood. Like, I said, man, hey, look, it's my birthday. Can y'all just change rooms? I don't even have time to deal with it. It's 1 in the morning. I don't even want to change rooms, but can y'all change rooms? And shoot, man, he came back. Y'all see, we in the penthouse now. Shoot, we in the penthouse. You know what I mean? He came back with some keys. Like, yeah, you in the penthouse. We just go ahead and upgrade. I'm like, huh? But yeah, this penthouse is crazy, man. This penthouse is crazy. Like, birthday weekend, Super Bowl weekend, and they upgrade us to the penthouse? Like, how do y'all go downstairs tomorrow to watch the game? I mean, I am, though, because I want to be, like, around the crowd. So I'll probably watch, like, the second half and then a halftime show down there. But first half, I'm up here. Feet kicked up. Talking about, nice little room. See how we can light this fireplace. Yes, sir. All right, I'm satisfied now. See how this fireplace. What's this on the wall? All right, guys, it's the next morning. Sunday morning, Super Bowl Sunday. Oh, it's cold in this part. It's crazy. You gotta fix this. Lord, that mercy is freezing on this side. I'm gonna show y'all this little view. You know what I mean? Right, this is a little city view. We ain't got the ocean view. Yeah, it's a little cold in here. All right, check out this hash house.
I see chicken wings.
Hi, how are you today?
How you doing?
You want a coffee? So
Alright, so they have bacon, fried zucchini sticks, chicken wings, chicken tenders. They got a burger, chicken sandwich, chicken bacon avocado, chicken Caesar wrap, buffalo chicken wrap, BLT, and a corned beef sandwich. I see a churro waffle. Oh, that's it for dessert.
What about breakfast?
Farmhouse eggs scrambled. Let's say 3 eggs served with mashed potatoes and crispy fried potatoes. Okay. Farm favorite say biscuits and sausage gravy. That's shit on the shingle. Andy Sage fried chicken and eggs. Big old burrito. They got steak and eggs. Of course, Andy Sage fried chicken vinaigrette.
When you come here, I'll take care of you.
Okay. These real life?
Yes, it is.
This should be right out, okay? Everything else look all right?
Yes, thank you.
What's this?
That pancake is huge. That's ridiculous.
It's bigger than the whole plate.
That's a big pancake.
Crazy. Well, guys, we moving rooms again for the third time in a 2-day weekend. Cause it's cold on this side. Like I don't know if the air not or the heat not working. It's cold. It's cold over there.
Is it your
A little
local
extra
Hendon
cold.
stuff?
But they say they're gonna put us in another penthouse. So we just gotta pack this crap up again, man.
That our game deserves.
Come on, man. It's our third time moving. Well, we moved once, so this will be our third different room. So it's our second time moving. But yeah, we about to pack this stuff up again and see what they got for us. They say they're gonna send the bellman to bring us a cart for our stuff. I said, yeah, we need a cart. We got a lot of stuff. So I guess y'all about to get a third room tour. We're gonna go up here to this other one that's in a whole nother tower. And we just gonna see what's going on. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we ready to give y'all another room tour. This is the third room that we done had. We've been here 2 days. We've been in 3 rooms, 2 suites. We had the penthouse suite in the Chelsea Tower, and now we got a penthouse suite in the South Tower. But yeah, when you first walk in, you know, that's a connecting, in case you got a connecting room. Then we got a bathroom right over here. It's one bathroom, it's two bathrooms in here. This one don't have no shower though, so just straight for you know what I mean? You got do your business. Got a nice little mirror over here. Nice little sink area for real. That joint hug. Got some closet space right here. I mean, just some standard stuff. Iron board. You're safe in there. Man, look at this living room area though. Big living room. Got the ocean view over here. Man, look at this view, guys. This thing crazy, gang. Like, we right on the ocean, man. They did us right for my birthday, boy. I'm trying to tell you. This trip had so many ups and downs, but it was mainly because of the room. Got a nice little couch here. That ain't no pull-out couch. That's like a official couch. Then you got the little joint right here. Nice little table over here. Nice little lamp. Right here, kick your feet up, you know what I mean? We watch the Super Bowl up in this joint. Ain't no view over here, but got a nice, this is a light, you know, got a TV right here. Come on this side, show it to you. Got a TV right here. Got a bunch of stuff up here. This is a little wet bar area, you know what I mean? Ice bucket. This joint got, that's crazy. Got plenty of space up under there. Then we gonna show y'all the king bedroom, you know, the king suite, you dig? It's the king suite, not the queen, not the two, you know what I mean? But you come up in here, it's nice. Big bed, king bed, you know what I mean? Got the two nightstands. On this side, you got you got some more space over here. Another closet, another iron board. Man, I got two. Two irons, two ironing boards. Got the full body mirror right here, you know what I mean? Get ready for the game type shit. Little foot, I mean. She at the end of the bed. Got a view in the bedroom of the ocean. This lit. This lit, man. I wish we, Shit fire. But yeah, got a whole nother TV in here. Sitting area, desk, phone, just some standard stuff. Here with a second bathroom in here. This the master bathroom. Sheesh. Stand up shower in here. Oh yeah, it's nice. Shoot, I ain't gonna hold you low key. I think the shower was broken the other one. It ain't had this little sliding door. Man, this thing right. All right. I mean, nice little area. That's the women's favorite area right there. But yeah, this thing fire. This one better than the other penthouse.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, this joint crazy. About to chill out for a second. I'm about to fully get dressed, you know what I mean? But yeah, crazy in here. Got the penthouse. 2 penthouses and 1 trip is crazy. We stayed in 2 penthouses in Atlantic City and on 1 trip. Crazy. Ready to get these TVs on, turn the TV on in there. Got the heat on, turn this heat down a little bit. I'm a little excited in here. Yes, sir, the heat fully works.
Say Drake, I heard you like I'm young. You better have it for the show block 1. But it's probably a